People are lazy. So lazy that if breathing didn't come naturally, they wouldn't exist. But people truly come alive when they do their favorite activities, like going on a trip. But trip planning can be one heck of a task and tends to be a quite tedious process. Manual itinerary planning, to be honest, is outdated and a plethora of travel itinerary platform has popped up, but it still isn't automated. So you end up doing most of the work anyway. But thanks to AI and ML, we can read thousands of hotel reviews, prices, and traverse through location details. So this makes this super convenient. So how is AI and ML used in travel? AI could have significant impact as this has potential to create 400 billion in value in the travel industry.
Now, let's talk about personalization and recommender systems. Meet Walter. He's an ordinary man who dreams of traveling the world and adventures. One of Walter's closest friends talks about Iceland and its beautiful scenic places and encourages him to go on a trip there. Like many of us, he also wants to know in advance about the destination that he is going to visit. So, to learn more about Iceland, he goes to TripAdvisor. He clicks on the to-do list and selects Iceland. He clicks on a few experiences that has caught his eye, and voila, he has got his search result. Offers that are perfectly tailored for him within the recommended for you shelf. This is done by using the recommender engine. It learns from the user's past interactions in the website. In the case of TripAdvisor, it uses item based collaborative filtering. It focuses on giving users based on its recommendations. It focuses on giving users recommendations of items like the ones they have already interacted with. Getting back to our Iceland inspired traveler Walter, so he interacted with the page in three ways. First, he pressed Volcano, well, we can't quite pronounce its name. He viewed and checked the availability of the tours. He even booked a volcanic tour. The system searches for the highest aggregated similarities to all the other attractions and gives recommendations of other trips that he might be interested in, like the 7-day guided ring tour to explore the circle of the Iceland. So, whether you're a nature lover like Walter, a culture vulture, a party animal, or a social butterfly, AI will recommend activities tailored just for you. Humans hate talking to humans. So, how would you explain 1 in 3 international travelers are interested in using chatbots for their travel? We're just kidding, of course. Or are we? While people are still an inevitable part of the customer service in any industry, digital assistants or chatbots are confidently taking over this area.
Hello everyone, we are Column Squad and I am Vishal. So we chose the problem statement level where we created an itinerary planning software which uses current user recommendations and search behavior and feedbacks of the other users to give the user a perfect plan for entirety of the trip. So manual itinerary planning can be a time consuming and sometimes frustrating process. Some common issues include limited knowledge about local customs, languages and transportation systems, bookings and reservation hassles for recommendation flights and tickets for attractions, safety and security issues in certain destinations, missing out on unique and lesser known attractions, optimization challenges. So what are the solution for these problems? So we intend to take on this problem head and provide a solution which is the itinerary planning software which uses both AI and machine learning. We aim to automate itinerary planning since automating travel itinerary planning can significantly streamline the process and provide tailored solutions to travelers. Develop algorithms to automatically generate day-by-day travel itineraries, considering travel time between destinations, accommodations, and attraction availability.
Hi guys, I'm Shabrina and I'm gonna guide you through the key features of this project. So first of all, real-time updates. Users receive notifications and recommendations according to their travel history. Next, map integration. using Gmap feature. Then there is using other user experiences and recommendations to enhance suggestions, discounted bookings on all travel/accommodations, feedbacks and reviews, etc. So we aim to diversify the user's trip experience by giving suggestions through reviews and previous visit records. To enhance the quality of the trip, we plan to deliver all the solutions to social and cultural changes that the users must be aware of. So we increase the accessibility for the diverse travelers, enhance local economies through personalized recommendations, promote sustainable travel choices, etc. Now, we also do routinely check recommendations for its validity using AI-based tools and chatbots. So, we motivate the other users to give recommendations to help the community, which is a key feature of our business model.
So now let's jump into the revenue model. We provide free service with regular plan which offers all the basic itinerary planning features. We provide a pro version which includes features like hidden gems and real-time map access, etc., which comes with a paid subscription plan.
So, the technology stack which are used are Python, Tinker, Pandas, and TensorFlow, and that's all.
So this is our project file, which includes two Python source files and also uh, many data files, which include the data files of city, places, ratings, flights, data contents, and Google review ratings. So we have used all of this data to make our AI model, AI and machine learning model. This data includes data such as 5,000 to 10,000 datas in each uh, data sets, so that our AI model is well equipped for the algorithms. Okay, so we have used this much data sets for our AI ML model. So our our AI ML model works on Python, and we have used NumPy, Pandas, then sklearn, then NLTK, that's natural language processing. Then also we have used Pickle for importing and exporting of the modules and the data frames. So what we have done is we have taken all the first we have loaded all the data sets we wanted in the main file. Then we data clean, we modified the data and set the data which we want and which we have to work on with. So we clean the data, then we merge few datas which are helpful for us. Then we created the recommended system. For that we have first taken the NLK, natural language processing thing, and we have made a data frame. Then as we can see, we have modified our data by applying that NLK function we have just made. Then from here the actual AI algorithm starts. So first, as we can see, in our data sets, we have the place description. So this place description has many keywords which we shortened, which we made unique through this NLK. After making it unique, we vectorized it with the help of sklearn, uh, sklearn matrix pairwise and cosine similarities. We vectorized it so that it can be put on a plot, put on a two-dimensional plot, so that the other vectors which are nearer to that or which are the same keywords will get together, and we can make, and we can combine all of this recommended systems together. We can actually say that because of the keywords they are same, we can say that these places are very similar to each other. So that what we have done in this four lines of code. Then similarly for the city also we have done the same thing. We have put it into a graph and two-dimensional plot, and then see and then we checked whether they are close or not. If they are close, they are similar, or the keywords are similar. So at the end we can say that they are similar places or similar, or we can recommend as a similar thing. So this is the code of the place also, place as well. Then with the help of the pickle module, we dumped the final list or the final data sets into the explorer, into the file, into the folder which we are working on, so that we can make the web application easily. Then this is the app.py, the second code, which is the web application code. We use Streamlit module to make the web application. From that we extracted the already modified datasets through the pickle only. Then we created a text, a button, a select box, and and we gave our algorithm a way to run. So this is the whole structure of our program, and you can see the output is, we can either go to this link or both of this link, and we can go and we can search there. So as you can see, I have opened the link. So see, this is our web application, where if like in every trip advisor, if let's say if it's a trip advisor or it's a make my trip, if we are searching for a place, let's say Hyderabad, so in bottom they will suggest you some other places to visit as well. So what we have done is that only, if a person, like our problem statement states that if a person, our travel agency are looking for a automated recommending system, so it will help them, this will help them, because if our user is planning to go to Goa, let's suppose he's trying to go to Goa, and he has clicked the search button. So at the bottom we can suggest them also to go to Alibag, Kovalam, Chennai, and Visakhapatnam. Alibag is also beach city, coastal city. So Alibag is also a coastal city. Similarly, Kovalam is also a coastal city where beaches are there. Visakhapatnam is also a coastal city. So this will help our travel agency very much, because this is recommending our users for other trips, and they can get indulged in it. Similarly, for places also we have done the same thing. If let's say if our if let's say India Gate is a place where our user has typed, so we can recommend them places which are like India Gate, or which have something related to India Gate, which has something related to history or something. Likewise, let's take an example of Sabarmati riverfront, which is in Gujarat, which is basically a riverfront. So it gives us Elliot Park, Millennium Park, Hooghly riverfront. It gives us another Liverpool and parks, which are similar to Sabarmati riverfront. So this is our destination recommender system, which will recommend the users similar type of places or similar type of trips to plan ahead, which will help our travel agency to get more users to click on other trips as well and to plan other trips as well. So yeah, this is our destination recommender system.